Okay, hello to everyone who can make it out tonight. My name is Wray, and I'm going to be going over a simple strategy that I've been using to earn money without recruiting or sponsoring a single person. And what I'm grateful for is finding a program like this because I've been online since 2015, and I was completely struggling. And I wasn't able to really bring in commissions consistently or earn consistently with anything. And that went on for about a year and a half. And I am now currently earning 6 figures a year. I've been doing so ever since the end of 2016 and showing other people how to do the same. Now, what I was telling the young lady today with marketing, it's a skill set, okay? Anybody can learn it, but you have to know what to do and how to do things. Not only that, you need to have cash flow. And that's really important for most people because people get into businesses and they want to start running traffic and they don't have the cash flow to do so. Or they're not able to present something to someone that the person feels is worth their time because they don't have any results. So with this program, what I love about it is that you're going to be able to have results. They're going to come quickly and they're going to be consistent. And then you can use those results to leverage and earn more money. Okay. And what I've been doing is teaching people how to take their results and utilize the Power Lead system to create a funnel for the program and make even more money. So, that's just optional. You don't have to do that, but it is there out there if you want to. Okay. So what I'm going to do is basically share my screen. And the company that I'm with is called Freester. And I heard about this program and I wasn't really for sure what it was about or if it really worked. I know I've tried surveys before in companies like similar to this, and I didn't make a dime, but I was blown away, and I was a believer once I started making $25 a day. And I was like, this is just way too easy. So with Freester, they have something called a product tester program where you fill out information and you actually get paid for it, okay? And just to warn you, it doesn't start off a lot, okay? It really didn't start building up to after about 7 weeks. And now I'm currently making $75 to $100 per day utilizing the system. And what I love about it is consistent. It's been around for a while. And it's something that anybody can do as long as you have the right training on exactly what to do and you have the motivation to actually get started. There's a lot of people that actually buy into programs and they don't actually start for 2-3 weeks, a month, or even ever. But if you apply what you learn, you can start seeing results with this system, okay? So when I go in here to my Access product tester portal, basically what they're doing is they're going to be asking you some questions under this feedback tab. You answer those questions. It's 2 questions in a comment section. Once you complete that information, they will pay you for completing that information. And every time you do a feedback, you're going to get paid, and then it's going to go away. And then you're going to just consistently get more of these feedback tabs. As you do them, the company pays you, okay? So right now, as you can see, I have a total of 420 entries that I need to do, which is quite a bit. And every time that I do one, the company is going to pay me. And then I'm going to be able to see how much I get paid by going into my direct deposit for my account, okay? So what I'm going to do is log into the bank account that I've been getting paid in from this company. And it's so funny because I wasn't even thinking about it the other morning, and I got a payment. And then this morning I got another payment. So what I love about that is that now you have results and you have the proof to show people that this is a real company and you can actually make real money. And that's where the beauty is at, because everybody will say, does your program work, or does it actually give you income? Is it consistent? And most of the time, if you cannot show people that you are earning consistently, they don't want to get started because they have no faith or confidence that it's going to work for them. But if you're an average person or a person that's been struggling online and all of a sudden you have proof that what you're doing actually works, that speaks volume, okay? And that's what separates most people from the rest. That separates the 3% from the 97%, results, okay? Because 97% of people, let's face it, that are online do not have results. They do not have proof that what they're doing actually works or it works consistently. So I just logged into my my bank account, okay? And as you can see, I just got these payments, and I have payments pending. Let me see if I could change this for you guys. Okay, hopefully you guys can see me still. Let's see if I'm doing this right. Okay, so right here, March 20th, which is today, I have a deposit that's pending for $326.51, another one for $68.05. And then yesterday, I had a payment come in for $556.69. And then on the 18th, I had another payment come in for $159.88. Okay, so in the last 3 days, I've been getting deposits to my account, and they have been very, very consistent. Down here on the 15th, I got in $223 and $172. So just imagine if you were getting results like this within your business without recruiting a single person, or being able to build up where you're earning $25 a day, $45 a day, $65 a day. How that can change your life. But not only that, it's really not about us, but how other people will then have confidence that something like this can work for them. So I signed up with Freester November 1st of 2018. In December, I didn't do much with it because I was traveling for the holiday season. And then I went out of the country for 3 weeks in January. And I was still earning $25 a day. By the time I got to my 7th week, I was at $25 a day. By the time I got to my 10th week, I was at $50 a day. And it just kept growing. So what I did was I created a program that actually shows you exactly how to utilize the system, how to earn consistently with the program, and how to take those results and leverage it to earn more money, okay? And let me tell you, I've tried survey companies before. I've tried all of this stuff. I've never had anything this consistent and something that was so easy to do, spending about an hour and a half, literally an hour to an hour and a half a day, about 4 days a week, okay? And in the beginning, you're not going to need that much time. You're going to need probably about 30 to 45 minutes a day. But when you're averaging about $75 to $100 a day, you're going to need about an hour and a half, 4 days a week to complete the feedback, and then also to just keep track of the system and how you're doing with things, okay? We also have, for everyone that gets with the system, we have weekly hangouts that happen every Wednesday at 7 p.m. So we're about to have one in about 45 minutes. And we just go over the results. We share results with other people. We go over any updates or changes within the program. And then we just motivate each other, okay? We have about 330 people that are currently in our Facebook group that are consistently promoting the program or just consistently using the program. Now, another thing that I've done, and guys, for right now, do not use this link if you decide you want to sign up. It's not working, but I just want to show you guys the funnel that I'm using, okay? So I'm using Power Lead System to promote this opportunity, and these funnels that I've created are available for anyone that's a part of our team. So if you have the Power Lead System and you want to promote once you start getting your results, this is a money-making machine, okay? Here is just basically a time clock with a hand. There are a few things in life that you'll never go back to. Punching the clock could be one of them. No recruiting, no sponsoring, click below. So a person could just come in and put in their email information, and what it's going to do is take them to the sales page that just tells them about the program. And this is a high converting funnel. Okay, people are watching the short video, which is not that long, and then it tells them what they'll be doing and how they're going to get paid, and it shows them a little bit just to get them curious on what they'll be doing to earn. Okay, I have a lot of people that come back to me after they watch this video and say, how do I get started? I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to go. Okay, so right now, do not use this funnel if you want to get started. Just contact me first. But basically, it has the information on how much time you will need, how many times you get paid. You can work using a smartphone or a laptop. It also has here the results from other students that have used the system. And then it just tells you, you know, the simple ways to get paid and why I came up with this method, okay? So basically, this is set up your account, schedule your time, submit your answers, and then you get paid, okay? And we have, like I said, 3 funnels currently. So what I've been doing, I started promoting this system January 4th, and to date, which is January 4th, February 4th, we're going into 3 months now, okay? Within 3 months, utilizing the system and being able to teach others how to utilize this funnel that I just showed you, we've been able to bring in basically, here we go, $111,000 in 3 months. So S3 Method has made $111,000 in gross just promoting the system, and people bringing in people that they know because they're confident that showing their results is actually going to work, okay? So, I mean, for 3 months, that's not bad. Gross, a net volume of $105,000 in sales, and we are continuously growing, okay? So, and I'll just show you guys so you know that this is the truth. It didn't start in March. I'll just go right here to the end of December. It doesn't let you go right into January, but if I go into December 31st, which was the end of last year till today, it stayed the same. 111,000 gross, 105,000 in net volume in 3 months, okay? So that's how we're doing with the system. So with that said, if this is something that you're looking to get into or you want to know more information about, if you're curious about it, how it works, it's very straightforward. I mean, within the first 2 to 3 weeks, I had this down pack. I was like, I knew what to do. I knew how to work the program. I knew exactly how I was going to get paid, how often I was going to get paid. And I just started posting those results because I'm like, man, if I could make $100 just doing the feedback, and then I can promote this and make an additional $200 a day, that's $300 a day, right? And like I said, if you have results, that separates you from the 97% that has no results utilizing the system, okay? Or using any system. We got so many people that are in My Econ, Funnel XROI, Easy One Up, they're in Fearless Mama, wherever, and they may be getting some type of results, but it's not consistent enough for them to leave their daytime job. I want to get people to a point where in 6 months you are saying adios amigos to your job if that's what you want to do. I'm going to show people how to build an email list, okay, so that you can always give people information through email swipes, which we also have on our team. We have email swipes that people can use. We have share codes that people can use. And like I said, when you get started with PLS, if you want the funnel, you can have it. It's 3 funnels and 3 share codes that anybody can use that becomes a part of the S3 method, okay? So I'm going to keep it at that. I want to thank everyone who took the time to come onto this hangout tonight. And if you have any questions, you can definitely send me a message through Facebook. And again, I just want to inspire people because let me tell you, someone inspired me. And it took me a year and a half to get out of my comfort zone to actually start producing the money that I needed to in order to leave my daytime job. And I know it's possible. I don't have a college degree in marketing. I have 2 children that I, tend to when I'm not working online. And it's really hard. But what I can say is if you follow the blueprint and you're consistent, you can earn this type of money, and it will happen within a short period of time. You don't need a year. You don't need 2 years, 3 years. I mean, you should be earning within your first 48 to 72 hours, like I said. And you should see it consistently grow week after week following the strategy that I'm going to teach you, okay? So again, thanks so much for coming out. Have a great night. Stay in touch. I just want to say hi to Christy. I didn't see you earlier. Sherry, Martin, Ben, thanks so much for coming out tonight. And I'll speak to you guys again. All right, so thanks again.